Alley Trail Marathon, 2.2 mile loops, 12 loops, 6,000 plus feet of vert. Start my morning off with egg white turkey sandwich. All right, let's get out of here. Ooh, it is cold. It's probably 30 degrees. Time to put the bibs on.
Don't quite know how the vert's gonna feel. We'll see.
See quite a few people wearing vests. Seems a little excessive for something like this, but I'm going the Richard Young approach. Bottle only. With the aid station every 2.2 miles. I mean, you don't need much. Pretty out here. Cold, but pretty. Really perfect November day for this. It's cool, but it's not gonna rain, not gonna snow, not windy. Really pretty. So I don't have much of a race strategy. The idea is just take it real easy the first lap, see what it feels like, see what the legs are doing, see how they're reacting to being this cold. I do have long sleeves on my legs, but I've got a drop bag, and really the only reason I have it is in case I want to take off some layers and put them in my bag. I can. All that's in there is some food, which I probably won't really need, but I'll take anyway. I'm not going to carry the GoPro the whole time. I'll take it with me the first lap. I might grab it again for like lap 6 or 7 or something. Cool thing about this is like you could potentially lap somebody or be lapped and see people more than once. But the more I think about it, there's like 80 people running this. So I'm not gonna recognize any of them. Be fun anyway, be a good workout for me. Lots of elevation, that's what I need.
Once you get out on course, you're gonna be following these flags. You're also gonna have a few of these directional arrow signs. They say wrong way on the back.
Harvey Lewis is here.
This is amazing. Richard told me not to do this, but my God, I gotta just comment on my dream here. Goodness, it's realized in front of me. Thank you all so much for being here. A year ago, I did 10 RV1. I had 6 people there, and a few of them are here this morning. I don't recognize those people. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go, guys! The Alley Trail Marathon is happening!
On your left. Thank you. Already burning up. Went out too hard. Reining it back in. Thank you, thank you.
All downhill to the finish.
Yeah, then just 11 more. Oh, I'm good, thank you.
Be careful on
You too. First lap down.
5 hours later.
At least he didn't. I was thinking any moment, I'm like, that dude's gonna come by.
Running with Harvey. This is so cool.
And you ran without a shirt on.
I did.
Impressive.
I mean, I was burning up, man. Well, I hit all my goals. I was hoping to finish under 6 hours. Finished in 5:33. I went out way too hard the first half marathon. That was an 11-minute pace. And so the second half marathon, I averaged 14-minute pace. So definitely went out too hard, but it was fun. This race was really well put on. They give you a meal ticket. It's, well, for after the race, bag of potato chips and BLT, or they've got club sandwich. And I was really hungry, so that's just perfect. Okay, I just opened this up and I was not expecting this gorgeous thing. Oh.
That would be Jessica Kopowitz of Athens, Ohio. She is about to become a finisher of the Alley Trail Marathon. Congratulations, Jessica. Another finisher of the Alley Trail Marathon. For our full marathon, 26.4 miles, over 6,000 feet of gain, with a time of 6 hours, 13 minutes, from Athens, Ohio. Third place, Jessica Kopowitz.
There you go!
Oh my god.
Hold it from the
Oh
bottom.
my god. Thank you so much. You hold that up. Is it heavy?
Look, Jessica, up here. In second place, with a time of 5 hours and 30 minutes, also from Athens, Ohio, Clarissa Hitchens. And very exciting, the first place full marathon with a time of 5 hours and 4 minutes from Groveport, Ohio, Justine Kirksall.
All right.
Dante. Give it up for your ladies full marathon winners!
Well, I'm going home. I told Lindsay I'd be home before 4. That ain't gonna happen.